Hi everybody, Crafting Journey, just sitting here diamond painting away this evening. And Treasure Studios Arts has new paintings. Yes, the floral collection is up on Treasure Studios Art website now. But what comes after this, there's three new artists. Well, not new artist, one new artist, two artists that already exist on the website but have new floral collections. It's all floral. Nicole Payne has new floral. Anthony Christou has new floral. And the new artist is Ruth West. And I'm going to show you the 6 that are being released as we speak from her collection. And oh my God, they're gorgeous. If you guys have been, if you're tired of the cartoons and the Disney and the princesses and the confetti that is Chuck Penson, this is the artwork for you. It's beautiful. It's amazing. It would just look great in anybody's home. So take a look at it. I'm gonna run the collage. It's only like a minute or so. Take a look at it. If you like what you see, use the link down in the description to go to Treasure Studios Art website. And if you really like what you see and you want to purchase it, use the code Rebecca15 for a 15% discount off your purchase of $40 or more. And I'm so excited. Okay, here it goes. Bye everybody. Please watch.